What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a super exciting day. We're going to be working on Jalen's Evo 8. She is going to get a full exhaust system from the downpipe all the way to the axle back. So if you guys know, Jalen's Evo 8 has a full stock exhaust system besides the O2 housing. The car is super quiet, and a car does need some exhaust system. The car needs to breathe a little bit, especially that we're gonna be getting the car tuned from Dr. Boost. We are gonna be running a MAPerformance Downpipe. Exhaust system that we're gonna be running is the HKS Sport. The exhaust is used, so I picked it up from one of my buddies. $100, came with the test pipe over there. I know it doesn't look the greatest, but for $100 you can't really go wrong. And I kind of didn't want to spend a big money on exhaust system. Like I probably can though. Like I was eyeing out on that Tomei. My Evo 8 has a Tomei exhaust system, but it's too damn expensive and there is a waiting time, so I didn't kind of want to wait. But I think this exhaust system that we have, that we're going to be running on Jalen's Evo 8, is gonna be perfect for her. I'm not too sure how loud this car is gonna be, but I guess we'll find out once we put it on. First thing that I want to do is that I kind of want to get this whole muffler pipe, maybe not the test pipe, but just these two here, just to get it all nicely cleaned up. They look a little rusty, and I know that nobody's gonna see it underneath the car, but I would like to kind of like sand it down real quick, get it all nice and painted. We are gonna be using this very high temp paint that I picked up from O'Reilly. This is what we're gonna use. I am gonna go hit it with a 320 sandpaper, sand it all down. I'm gonna mask the muffler tip right there, and then get it all nicely cleaned up, painted, and then see how this thing is gonna really look. Alright guys, so we just got the muffler all sanded down. It's not the best looking sanding of the world, but that's okay. We're not looking anything perfection wise. So what I did notice is that when I sand this area, there's a crack here right by the hanger that is welded to the pipe, and a crack over here. So that kind of sucks, but as of right now we don't have any other choice. I can go ahead and get it welded, but it's gonna take a little bit more time, and we only have at least a few hours to put this thing on her car. So I'm not worried about it right now. I think it'll be okay. I'm gonna go ahead and start masking the muffler tip. I'm gonna go ahead and mask the flange area on both sides as well. We're gonna go ahead and tackle this pipe, and then we're gonna do that. Should give us enough time to let this thing cure, and then we can go ahead and take out the full stock exhaust system of Jalen's car and then get that thing going. So we're all finished up painting the pipe and the muffler. I say it's an okay condition. These were just sitting outside, rain and shine, and it kind of got a little bit worse, but that's okay. But eventually we are gonna go get some better exhaust system in the near future. So now those are drying up. Let me go ahead and show you what the MAP downpipe looks like. So me and my wife already opened it just to make sure we have everything that we really need. And man guys, this downpipe looks so sick. Should look at that weld right there. That looks beautiful. From MAP right there. And it actually did come with some hardwares. Came with the Vibrant Performance. Only comes with one gasket. This one right here. And along with these hardwares right here. So they come with the 3 spacers, 3 bolts, and these 2 bolts a little bit bigger. These are the, I think these are the M14, I believe, I can't remember, but it comes with a crush washer and a nut. So that's pretty good. I do have an extra gasket for like the test pipe and the axle back, so we are good to go. I went to go out riding and pick one up. This is a M18 by 1.5 and it fits. We actually bought 2, so I'm gonna go ahead and put one on top of the test pipe. If you guys never really hear how Jalen's car sounds, stock full exhaust system, let me go ahead and show you guys. So that's how it sounds. Let's go ahead and start getting the car jacked up, pull the full exhaust system, downpipe, cat converter, everything out, and then we can go ahead and slap those guys out. Hopefully they'll be dry by then. I'm super excited to actually hear how this car is gonna sound. Alright guys, so we got this whole stock exhaust system out. Sorry if you guys, hopefully you guys can hear me. It's kind of a little bit windy though, but I took out that O2 sensor on my O2 socket and this thing breaks. So good thing I did, I had an extra one and it broke the O2 sensor off from the exhaust. So thankfully we got that out. I went ahead and put the O2 sensor. I think we should be good to go to throw the exhaust on the car. Nice and dry. I do have an AEM wideband that we're supposed to go ahead and throw it on the car, but I'm just gonna wait on it until sometime next week. As soon as we have all the parts installed, I'll go ahead and install that, and then yeah, we're just gonna wait on that. Alright guys, so Jalen's car is finally done. We put the full exhaust system downpipe all the way to X back. Now let's go ahead and start up the car. I'm curious to see how this thing is gonna sound. I'm so excited right now, guys. Sounds really good. Not too loud, not too quiet, but in the middle sounds really good on idle. Damn, that sounds good. car run for like 5-10 minutes, and then we're gonna rev up the car and see how she really sounds. Alright guys, so I just went to go ahead and double check, make sure we didn't have any leaks. I did found a little bit of leak coming from the downpipe and to the test pipe. So I got that all taken care of. Now we're gonna go ahead and drive the car, see how it really sounds. I am gonna set the camera outside and do a drive-by. Wanna hear you guys' opinion, what you guys think how it sounds. Well guys, there you have it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below of the full exhaust system. The car sounds really good. The car just really wants to get on it, but I didn't want to push the car because one, the car is not tuned. We're in the process of getting Jalen's car tuned anyways, so I do have all the other parts that I have that are waiting to just get installed on the car. The car feels really good, feels so smooth. It just feels like it just wants to just go, just really want to go, just get into full boost, and it just sounds so good right now. I am very excited. Unfortunately, I know that my wife is sleeping, so she's not able to hear the car in person or even drive the car. I only used 2 hardware that came with the package. The rest for like the flange on the test pipe and axle back, I had to go get some at Ace Hardware. If you want to pick up these parts, I have it linked down in the description box below. Shout out JD Custom for shipping it out to me. Hope you guys enjoyed the video guys. Aloha, and I'll see you guys in the next one.